Hi Arika.
Hi.
Did you make something today?
Yeah.
What?
I'm a big bookmark. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, here comes amazing Spider-Man.
Hi, welcome back. I know you people are waiting for this week's craft. So we made a very special kids corner bookmark.
Yeah.
And some of those are over here. This is a pig,
Maybe you can say as Peppa Pig.
maybe. It's a Pikachu.
You do.
And
And unicorn.
so cute
Yes.
are our 4 crafts which we made today, and we'll be making it for you too, so that you can see how we made those.
And you can get your own.
Yeah, you can get your own at home, right?
Yeah.
So let's try it out. Okay,
Yay.
Arika? So Arika, do we have all the material?
Yes, I think so.
Do you have glue stick, a pencil,
Yeah.
scissors,
We have the same scissors.
Sharpie,
Sharp.
and a square sheet. So we have to fold it like this,
Okay. Corner to corner.
corner to corner, make a triangle. Okay, so we'll fold it to this tip, corner to corner, like you say, corner to corner from the other side.
One.
Now we'll open it
Okay.
and we'll take one sheet, one flap,
And then fold it.
and then fold it like a triangle again. So one sheet is open and one sheet is folded. Can you see that?
Yes.
Now
It's like this.
you rotate it like this. Take this corner,
Yeah. And then
fold it,
to here.
and
Tuck it.
tuck it inside like so. Got it?
Yeah.
Now take the other
And
side,
do the
other
same.
point,
Do
do
the
the same thing. Yeah. Okay, go inside, go inside, go inside.
Mine is not as good.
That's okay.
Want a little twist
It's okay. You can always open it again
and do it.
and then fold it again like this. See? So now it's time to decorate. Okay, Arika?
Okay.
So we'll take the same color sheet. Do you have it?
Yep.
Okay. And I'll make Pikachu's ears. Okay? And you make unicorn's ears.
Yeah. There. We can use the flowers to cover this.
Yeah, you can use any kind of flowers. I had these, so you can use this.
Yep.
Pink in the middle.
Pink. They made them too squishy.
Good job, Arika. You did such a nice job. So this was the unicorn I made today morning. And this is Arika's. Pretty close, right, Arika?
Yeah.
It's nice. So this is Pikachu. And this is Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig.
If you believe it. I don't know. Do you think it's Peppa Pig? It looks like Peppa Pig? It looks like a pig, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It is good.
And there is Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
If you like a video, like
And subscribe to our channel.